Hey.
Beats.com.
So we're up here at the cabin in the mountains. Like, this thing is life-changing. Like, this is, I feel so motivated right now because I want to own something like this one day. I'm gonna own something like this one day. And it's good to have the families come together. My dad's getting married. It's such a wonderful occasion.
So this hike is the real deal. But this is the thing, like, being active is a lifestyle for us. Now, I'm not saying you got to do crazy hikes whenever you go on vacation, but it's always best to incorporate activity, things that incorporate exercise, fun, good time with your family, scenery. Like, try to incorporate that as much as possible, because once it becomes a lifestyle, like I was telling you guys, like, if I'd have ate a 10 stack of pancakes before I came up here, I definitely wouldn't be enjoying this as much. So it just kind of makes it easier to adhere to your healthy eating regimen when you're active. Oh, they're up here getting it. Oh, damn, that could have been ugly. Yo, this is amazing. You see, there's still snow up there, and what happens is the snow melts and it runs down the mountain and it creates waterfalls. This is crazy. Like, I don't understand how someone could not believe in God. This is amazing. I'm just trying to live in the moment right now and take it all in. Not thinking about clients, not thinking about money, not thinking about nothing. Just trying to enjoy these moments.
So we just finished whitewater rafting. That was a cool ass experience. Growing up in New York City, I've never done stuff like this, so being in shape now, I enjoy doing outdoorsy stuff. Unfortunately, some lady was floating down the river. They was trying to save her. I hope she's all right. But anyway, we're about to head back up to the cabin. I was wondering where y'all were. Y'all good?
Yeah.
You got a Zumba bathing suit?
Yep.
Sweet.
I got Zumba, water Zumba too.
Listen, I grew up thinking that people with money were evil. Like, I grew up thinking that you have to be a slime ball in order to get money. You have to manipulate people. Listen, I'm so inspired being in this $6 million house right now. Material things are not, by all means, I'm not defined by material things, but I have a loving, healthy family. I have purpose, I have passion. So I don't think it's wrong for me to want nice things. I feel like we were all put here to live abundant lives. Don't be ashamed or afraid to think big, to dream big. And if you're not dreaming big, if you're not shooting for something so big, then you need to aim a little bit higher. We were put here to live miraculous lives and live it up major. Like, we were put here for that. So don't be ashamed. Don't be timid when you speak about your dreams. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you for watching. As always, shout out to the Brix squad. I'm gonna relax, spend some time with the family, put the camera away, watch the game, eat a little bit. I'm gonna just try to live in the moment. I gotta do better about that. So anyway, get well and get money.